So apparently, guys, a plan Gakawe to ask out who Onga failed, and she seems kind of stressed about it. By the way, I see it because she woke up this one morning, she got on her phone, yabona, and she actually sent Uzitle, her friend, a voice note on I think WhatsApp, telling her, "No, dog, your advice isn't working, and I do not need any advices." I think it was a shoot your shot type of thing, yabona, that Zetu gave Ukawe, yabona, that kind of advice to actually shoot her shot lapana kuku onga. But Ukawe having to shoot her shot did not even work out, understand? So Ukawe had made up a plan ukuthi yena adoje emsebenzini nje. It's gonna act like she is sick, yabona, so that she actually tests Onga cares about her. Maybe she'd be like waiting for a call from Onga asking Uguti why didn't she come to work and all that stuff, because she's been wanting to actually impress Onga, but Onga does not seem impressed because Onga turned down the date that she offered. Yabona. So uzolega umama had to pull up and actually ask what is happening, guys. So how had lied ukuthi yeah, she's not feeling well and she go to the doctor, and uzolega was kind of concerned yabona ethi uzomphelezela yabo to the doctor, but uKhawe was like nah, she's gonna go alone to the doctor akafune sizo likamama wakhe, which is crazy. So moving on, bafethu, uzolega went to uhlathi laphana eshele without having to tell uLazarus ukuthi uyabona uhlathi laphana eshele. So now it's like uLazarus is spying on Uzolega, of which is not the case, you understand? Because it's like Uzolega kept a secret from uLazarus ukuthi she went to jail to actually see Hlathi and tell Hlathi ukuthi he should let go of his ego because it's gonna take down the whole family, especially now Tumega. Tumega's also gonna go down with uhlathi, you understand? So there's a little argument, you understand, but then I think it was sorted because Lazarus had said, no man, they must go to the bail hearing, you understand, just to actually see Hlathi crash out and all that stuff. So Hlathi bafethu usajele, and then this other guy, I think it's a guy he knows or one of his officials or whatsoever, came to see him to tell him ukuthi his bail hearing is gonna happen, you understand, because Hlathi was actually demanding a bail hearing. So they told Hlathi ukuthi his bail hearing will happen, you understand, but sometimes other bail hearings don't actually work out, they don't go through as expected. So Hlathi must not expect big ukuthi he'll just escape in jail like that. And this guy actually told Hlathi ukuthi uHlathi usazohlala ejail, he's still gonna spend time in jail, you understand, of which Hlathi does not want to actually spend his time laphana ejail, ufuna ukuphuma uHlathi. So as you can see, Onga is looking for Uqhawe, but unfortunately he can't find Uqhawe. But regardless of anything, he made the announcement regardless. There's a quantum project from Australia, I guess. Quantum is part of the name. It's along those lines. There's a project from Australia that was actually plugged by uLazarus to Khusela, and Khusela is one of those who are mentioned and has their name on the project, you understand? So whoever is interested in understanding and dwelling in the project, they can also like get insight, because the project is for anyone and everyone. So Ulwandle seemed excited about the whole situation, understand, because Onga even said ukuthi Ulwandle is a good and is the best contender so far. And Apha Umawethu had to actually like break his silence. He was like, nah man, Ulwandle is a junior. Umawethu has been in the game. So Onga told the guys ukuthi it's not about how long you have been in the game. It's about how you actually commit yourself and dedicate yourself along the project, you understand? Because I think Onga does not like Umawethu. That's just a pure fact. And they addressed ukuthi Uqhawe isn't at work because she's not feeling well. So Tumela gets a call from Uhlathi, and she does not look like a person who is interested in speaking with Uhlathi. You understand that? You can just judge from the way she spoke. She wasn't really speaking on the phone. She wasn't really interacting with Uhlathi on the call, because Uhlathi was telling her Uguti whenever he goes out, everything will go back to normal. Understand? So Uhlathi was promising Uguti whenever he goes out, he will be a better guy. But she seemed not to actually be interested in all of those things. So Afethu, in the midst of that, Unsigi is actually convincing Utumega to go with them, Bananogondla and Utulani, to Hlathi's bail hearing to support Uhlathi. But Tumega is still hot-headed. She doesn't want to go. She's saying Gutunama exams, and but what's known is that ama-exam yakhe aphelile, she's graduating in the next week, so she's actually dodging ukubona uHlathi. She doesn't want to see uHlathi. So uNtsiki stood on business and told uThumeka ukuthi she was the one who wanted to get married, she was the one who agreed to be married to uHlathi, so she can't do what she's doing. Bazohamba ngenkani, so she must go get ready, bazohamba, because uThumeka has been like rejecting the offers. She's been dodgy yabona towards uHlathi. On the other side, Bafethu, Lazarus is proud to have Onga as his CIO. He feels like he did best by actually choosing Onga to come and work la Khusela. But on the other side, Onga was honest to Lazarus and told Lazarus ukuthi uQhawe had hit up on her. Uqhawe actually asked him out, asked him out on a date or something like that, you understand? So Lazarus was like, there's HR, you understand? So there are laws and clauses like HR ukuthi romance must not interfere with business, you understand? So of which I think ukuthi Lazarus is telling Onga ukuthi, what if she's not subordinate, you understand? Because it's a thing ukuthi if they want to do their own things, they must actually do it, but they mustn't mix business with pleasure, you understand? Of which I think that's what Lazarus is actually telling Onga, and Lazarus kumtshelile Onga ukuthi the conversation is not over. So of which I think Onga is actually waking up a bit, yabona, but being honest and open to Lazarus, or to someone, I can say. So bafethu-ke on i-bail hearing kaHlathi, uZoleka no Lazarus come through, you understand, unexpectedly, of which I think uHlathi did not expect them to actually come through. So when they come through, uHlathi ngempela is stuck on the corner. I won't lie, this guy is actually stuck on the corner, and the more they actually interfere with him, is the more everything just escalates. It's just going from bad to worse, you understand? Because they told uHlathi ukuthi if ever uHlathi opens his mouth about Bavumile, or opens his mouth regarding him being the father of Bavumile, they'll release all his files, including the ones where he actually bribed Ushezi, you understand? He bribed Ushezi to actually keep quiet about uQhawe and hide uQhawe from uZoleka for 20 years, you understand? So basically uThumeka noHlathi basically hid uQhawe from uZoleka because uZoleka was away trying to better her life in the USA, yabona. And when she came back, obviously she was the CEO of iKhusela, but at the same time when she came back, she wasn't allowed to actually see uQhawe like she is right now, you understand? And if uHlathi continues to react the way he's reacting, the whole family will go down, you understand? And uKamva hates uHlathi already, you understand? So it would be a huge disappointment for Uyanga and Kamva to actually like see Hlathi and Thumeka going inside the same van, you understand? So because Thumeka is also gonna go down, since she knows how Hlathi was operating. She is not innocent at all. She's also a threat. So if Hlathi does things, you understand, awkwardly, they are gonna go down. And Hlathi was actually blackmailed to that extent. To an extent where he even asked uZoleka ukuthi, will uZoleka do that to uThumeka, because they are sisters, yabona. It's bad. So bangani bahlangana bafethu uZethu noQhawe, they meet up, you understand? So basically they're speaking about Onga, because every time these guys meet, it's all about boys, yabona, as far as I know and I can see. So they speaking, yabona, but now there is a catch, yabona. There are footages that are actually plugged in Zoleka's house. And I think it's plugged everywhere, but they actually can't see those cameras or footages that are actually plugged there. So while they're speaking there, now they're speaking about Umawethu. So uQhawe does not want Umawethu. She told uZethu ukuthi akamfuni Umawethu, even though angenzani, even bangamncenga or beg uQhawe or jump above the roof whatsoever, but uQhawe does not want Umawethu anymore. She's over that. And then uZethu starts bringing up the issue where Umawethu slept with uZoleka, because that's the reason why uQhawe and Umawethu broke up. It's because Umawethu slept with uZoleka before dating uQhawe. So they brought it up, you understand? They spoke about it. And then uZethu had a question, does our stepfather, meaning Lazarus, does Lazarus know uZoleka slept with Umawethu? Does Lazarus know that? Because Lazarus is fully on Zoleka's side and is fully on wanting to be Bavumile's father. Now Zoleka wants Hlathi down so bad, you understand? So now it's actually yo, for Uzolega, it's rotating. You understand? It's rotating because I can imagine if Lazarus would hear ukuthi Uzolega slept with Mawethu, it would be tension, it would be drama, it would be very sad to actually witness ukuthi Lazarus heard ukuthi Mawethu yabona slept with Uzolega, and ke ubuzile uzethu ukuthi does their stepfather know? And then obviously Kawe said no, that he doesn't know ukuthi Umawethu slept with Uzolega. On the other side, it's bad because Lilian was hearing everything. Lilian can see everything and can hear everything that's happening inside the house, because now she has heard ukuthi Lazarus, no, Umawethu slept with Uzolega. So I don't know how it's gonna fold. Or if we try to think ukuthi Lilian wants both. I think wants Uzolega to actually go down the most, because I think she still wants Lazarus. Or should I say, maybe she wants Lazarus to actually go down. She wants both of them to go down, understand? But the aim is to actually destroy Kusela. But now it's going too personal, you understand? Because obviously, Lilian is going to do something about it and let Lazarus know ukuthi Umawethu ulalele noZolega, and it's going to be a whole sad story for Uzolega, because Uzolega is obviously gonna lose Lazarus. Let me know what you think is gonna happen next in the comments, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.